How many of you believe that your destiny is already written? Today I am going to share who is the writer of your destiny. So, friends, welcome back to DYD series. I'm Dr. Ravi Kumeria, author, life coach, and the founder of Happy Life Foundation. We all want to have happy and successful life. We want our destiny should have good wealth, health, relationship, and happiness. So to have a good destiny or to have successful and happy life, we all try. And what majority of people do when they don't get the desired result, or if their destiny is not happening the way they want, they go to the first thing what majority of people do, they seek help from the god. They go to the god, they go to the temples, they do the prayers, they do some pujas, they want, and they try to change their destiny. And even some of the people, they go to astrologers, they go to the palmist, they go to the some vastu expert, they do some changes in their vastu, they wear some rings with some stones. I mean, there are so many things there. People go to these people who can help them. They go to the Baba, then they go to some, they do some pujas or something like that to seek the help, to get the external support from them to change, basically to change their destiny. But does it work? Does any one of them give 100% guarantee? Even it is rightly said, God helps them who helps themselves. And God also does not interfere in anybody's life. God has created this beautiful nature, and while creating this nature or while creating this universe, He has created the universal laws for everyone. You have to follow laws, you have to follow the rules. So God does not interfere. For example, the many students before the exam, before the exam, they go to the temples and they bribe to the god that if I get so much of percentage, then I will give this. Even many of the peoples, we go to the god and we pray and we bribe the god that if this happens I will do that, if this happens I will do that. I mean, suppose if you don't study, so how the god is going to help you? If you don't develop your skills, if you don't work, if you don't take the action, if you don't work on yourself, how the god is going to help you? He has the laws, he has the universal laws. You have to stick and work according to the laws and according to the rules, then it will help you. So God helps them who helps themselves. If God does not interfere in your destiny, if other external support can't help you, then who can help you to change your destiny? Who can help you to transform your life? Friends, when God created this universe, this nature, we human beings are the unique creation of God. He said, this is the human being is my unique creation. So I will give him liberty. I will give him the power to create his destiny the way he want. Yes, the God has given power to us to create our destiny the way we want. If you take the basis of granthas like Gita, Bible, Quran, or all the rishis, munis, gurus, sadgurus, they all have said only one thing, that you are the creator of your destiny. God has given us unique power to write the destiny the way we want. What is that power? In the next episode, I'm going to share what is that power lies within you to design your destiny the way you want. So, thank you. See you soon. Goodbye.
If you like the video, then please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe the channel. Also, to know more about Dr. Ravi Kumeria, an online product, please visit www.drravikumeria.com. Thank you.